Okay, I am going to follow up my face wash with Mantle Milk by Skin. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love this. So it's a skin flooding, I think it's called skin flooding serum. It's so good. So you put it on and then you can start doing your skincare immediately after while it's still wet. It's super hydrating and it just really like kickstarts that extra moisturization boost before you add in all of your moisturizers, serums, and things like that. I am a really big fan of Skin. This is like a great cosmetics company. They do a lot of research and they really educate on how their products work with your skin. It's fantastic. I would definitely recommend checking it out. I think there's a whole bundle. That's how I purchased it. I would highly recommend that one, but I'll tag it down below on its own as well.